spicy, smoky. This is my version of Hunan stir-fry pork with chili peppers. Hi guys, welcome back to What Wednesday. I'm Lance. We're in School Walk, Covent Garden, London's premier Asian cooking school. So today we're cooking chili pork belly stir-fry. We're gonna start with the garlic. It's a really quick stir-fry. Just roughly, just like that. Quite a bit of garlic. You want a strong flavor. So, ginger-wise, just 2 slices. Again. Go into diamond shapes. That's it. So chilies, usually green chilies, just use any chili left in your fridge. We got long ones, short ones, and we got some bird's eye for the spiciness. And for a bit of red chili, just 1 for the color. I'm removing most of the seeds here, because most of the spiciness of this dish comes from the bird's eye chili. And also we are doing an extra step for our chilies before we actually fry it. Now we chop it. Chopping wise, fairly easy. Like that. Break a little bit, maybe. Okay. Cool. And your red chilies for color and spicy bird's eye chilies. So bird's eye chilies, I'm gonna thinly slice them. I'm not gonna char it. I'm gonna add it in while I'm stir frying the chilies with pork. So red chilies, just for color, thinly slice them. Now we do the meat. So we got some pork belly here. You can either cook it skin on, skinless, however you like it. And so we're gonna just cut them into chunks first. Okay, and then we're gonna slice it. Not too thin, I want a bit of bite. That's all the pork. And now here we got some fermented black beans, fermented soybeans. And what you want to do is basically just rinse them, rinse off the dirt, just drain it. They're really salty, savoury. What I usually do, basically, I just use my cleaver, just kind of mash it a bit. That's it. Back into the ramekin. Now we're cooking. Wok on high heat. First thing we're doing, we're charring the chilies. So, no oil, dry wok, straight in. Just use the back of your ladle or spatula, whatever, to kind of press it down on a medium heat. So we're charring it to soften it and also release the flavor. A bit of salt when you're charring the chili. It's like formula. What you have to do. The salt will kind of draw out the moisture, and also it seasons the chili a tiny bit. Okay, so it's nicely already boiled down. Now you give it a wok and rinse. So smoking hot wok, oil in, just rinse around, pour the excess out, turn it down to low heat, pork belly in. We're frying out the fat from your pork belly. Try not to move it too much. We want a bit of color on the pork. I'm just moving the wok here. Just make sure every piece of the pork belly got some heat. There is a bit of oil coming out, but we want more, so a bit longer. Good. So now we're gonna push everything away. You see a lot of fat here. Fat is flavor. So we're not draining them. We're gonna turn up the heat. Ginger, garlic, bring out the fragrance, and bird's eye chili. Fry the fragrance. All the chilies back in. With a bit of red color. And don't forget your black beans. At the bottom, fry the fragrance. We're on a high heat here. So, bit of chicken powder. Bit of light soy. Bit of oyster. Bit of rice wine. Now it's coming to an end. Last thing, a bit of black vinegar for the fragrance. That's it. Now we're gonna tuck in just have the chili and the meat. It's really good. Kind of spicy, kind of salty, savoury, very smoky. I made everyone in the building sneeze. I just have to say it's good. If you like this recipe, if you like our channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next week.